lecture, I will discuss about how to use bitwise not instruction in Studio 5000 Logic Designer. In my previous video, I already discussed about, you can see here, bitwise instruction and or bitwise instruction. Also other instructions like AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, logic gate, timer, counter, beyond timer, T off timer, RTO timer, and also compare blocks, less than, greater than, less than, equal, greater than, equal, equal, not equal, and also bit instruction, counter instruction, beyond timer, and compare blocks, and also compute math instruction, logical move instruction. So if you new on my YouTube channel, so I recommend you, for your better understanding, uh, please visit on my YouTube channel, playlist, that is the name of Studio 5000 Logic, Studio 5000 for beginner, and watch one by one video for your better understanding. So let's get started. Take a new run, and now select logical move logical, and select on select off not, and take another run, and you can write any name, example not underscore one, and right click. If you want to we if you want, you can write description related to the logic. Data type base, alias, data type base, alias. Base means memory tag, alias means input output tag, produce and consume tag. We can use produce and consume tag for PLC to PLC communication, or PLC to PLC communication. I already discussed about all in my coming video when I okay. So take a and destination should be not out, not out, and right click, new tag, create a new tag, and click on bit, take off another output in run number 14, not out, take a move block, take off a move block, move, or bitwise move, take compare 1 to example 1 to 10, and text will be not out, copy and paste it here. Already use LED number 25, LED 26, Mute है today say we can use minus 8. Okay, we can use minus 8 from minus 0 to minus 8 minus 9. Okay, minus 9 minus 10. Okay, minus 11. Okay, minus 12. So how many number we can use in source A? In minus 1, minus 2, from minus 2 start destination, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. Okay, so we can use not in not bitwise, we can use bitwise not gate. From bitwise not gate, value in minus from 0 to minus 10 means that 0 to minus 11 means that total 10, 0 to 10. We can use 0 to 10 in NOT gate. For example, our any value, for example, any field value coming from the 24 volt in minus, but in minus 0 to minus 11. So we can use bitwise NOT gate, and with the help bitwise NOT we can easily start or stop motor or open or close any wall. So thank you for watching my video. If you learn my video from my video, and if you like my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for